So apparently we're still using faxes today in 2017. Today I had to call my bank for a dispute and they asked me to send in a fax. And I literally was like, oh, I didn't know people still use those. So today I'm going to show you how to send a fax for free with Fax Zero. Just a little background. I have been signing up for different fax services. Usually, if I just send a one off every once in a while, and then I just cancel it because I don't see myself using a fax. But I'm tired of purchasing software and then canceling it just so I can do the free trial. Fax Zero seems to be a good service. It went through, it gave me a notification. I do need to send the same fax to a different number at the company. So I'm going to take you through the steps so you can see what happens. Basically, you're going to fill out the information. You are the sender, so of course you're going to put in all that information. You do want to send an email or use an email that is one that you can get to and not one of the fake ones, because you're going to have to confirm the fax before it's actually sent. So make sure you use a good email address there. One thing to note, I did put the 1 in front of the number here for the fax number. When I got the email confirmation, it didn't have the 1, but I would put the country code just in case. And then what I do like about Fax Zero is that you can upload multiple files at the same time. I only need 1. So let's go ahead and fill in all the information here. Okay, so I entered the information there that I want, kind of like so I attached the fax. Let me back up. I attached the thing that I wanted to fax, the file. Then I'm using the text information as kind of like a cover letter area. So like all of your fax back in the day would have a cover letter. This would be like your email message. And then the attachment would be just like the attachment to your email. So I'm gonna go ahead and send, click on send free fax now. Notice the difference is there's free fax that has their branding, and then there's almost free where you pay $1.99 via Facebook, or excuse me, PayPal, and you don't have their branding. I don't care that their branding is on there. One thing that I did notice, and I didn't like the last time I clicked on send, it doesn't look like it's happening this time, is I did get some advertisements to convert to PDF, etc. But it looks like it just went through this time. So here it says check your email. So I'm going to go ahead and check my email. Okay, easy peasy. Confirm the phone number here that I'm sending to, and then I'm going to click on the button to confirm that I do want to send it to that number. And then what's going to happen is it's going to give me a link to a page where I could check the status. So it says now sending the fax. Thanks for confirming your email, right? I'm going to click on my private status page. But what I really actually look for is in my email, I'm going to get a confirmation, and I'll show you a copy of that. One thing to keep in mind, this is not email, folks. So faxes take a long time. They got to dial the number, listen for those weird beeps, and then confirm it. So it is going to take a little bit of time. Once it does that, I'll show you what the confirmation email looks like. I did get a notification that your fax was received, or actually that it succeeded. I called the recipient and they did receive it. So it looks like Fax Zero is the way to go to send free faxes online. Yay, super duper easy. If you have any other questions or anything that you would like to do, or you would like me to show you, go ahead and leave comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and keep it coming with the questions and comments. I know I've been getting a lot of comments lately. So thank you. Ciao.